Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to withdraw money from Sweatcoin. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So talking about frankly, Sweatcoin does not allow direct withdrawal of cash. So instead of Sweatcoins can simply be used to redeem for rewards, including gift cards from various retailers. One of the rewards you can get is a PayPal gift card as well from Sweatcoins. However, your Sweatcoins cannot be directly converted into any form of cash. So first of all, you gotta earn your Sweatcoins and then redeem that particular Sweatcoins for rewards. Then you need to simply choose your reward and then you need to submit your request. That means you need to follow the on-screen instructions to redeem your Sweatcoins for your chosen rewards. Once this is done, you can simply receive your rewards with the help of Sweatcoins. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos like this. Thank you for watching.